Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix frozen screen problem in your this Xiaomi smartphone. So let's start the video. If your phone screen stuck or it's frozen and apps are not working, so you can just simply solve it by restarting your device. First just restart your device, just long press this power button and simply reboot or restart your device. Then friends, you have to click on the settings, scroll down, click on applications, click on manage apps, click on search, and here you have to write Google Play Services. Tap on here, then click on this data usage. You have to clear cache, and then simply press back. Then friends, if your phone stuck, you have to just simply release some of your storage from your smartphone. If your storage is full, you have to just release some of your storage, just delete your documents, files, photos, videos, documents from this smartphone, so it will fix it. Then you have to just uh, charge your smartphone completely and restart your device again. It will fix your frozen screen problem. If it is does not solve, you have to go to your nearby service center to fix it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.